In this video, I will be showing you how to enable full screen gestures on your Vivo or iQOO phones. Here is my iQOO Z11x, which is running on Origin OS 6. By default, I have selected buttons at the bottom. To enable the full screen gestures, open settings on your phone and scroll down and click on system management. Under system management, you can see system navigation. Click on that. At the time of setup, I have selected navigation keys, which are located at the bottom. Now I would like to enable full screen gestures, so I'm going to select this option, full screen gestures. Once you select full screen gestures, navigation keys at the bottom will be gone. Now if you want to go back to the home screen, simply swipe up from the bottom like this, it will go back to the home screen. If you want to view the apps which are open in the background, swipe up and hold. It will show you the apps which are open in the background. And if you want to go back one step back, you can either swipe from right to left like this or left to right like this. It will go back. If you have opened multiple apps, if you want to switch between multiple apps, at the bottom you can see a black bar. Simply swipe to the right like this. You can see that you can switch between the apps like this, either left or to the right. And if you want to go back to the home screen, simply swipe up. By using the full screen gestures, you will get the full view of the phone. There is no space at the bottom for navigation keys. I always prefer full screen gestures on the phones. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.